This is it, the final virtual exposure session. And I want to take a moment before we start, because if you've worked through sessions 1 to 5 and you're sitting here ready to do this, that is genuinely significant. Most people with a fear of birds phobia never get this far. They stop at avoidance. You didn't. This session uses real video footage of birds. I've structured it to build gradually, starting with birds at a distance and working towards birds coming closer. The final clips are going to be the most challenging part of this whole playlist for most people. Here are 3 signs you're ready to move from this virtual exposure series to actual real-world exposure and stop avoiding birds in daily life. 1. The session feels more tedious than threatening. Not necessarily comfortable, but the urgency is gone. The alarm isn't firing at full volume the way it was before you did this exposure series. 2. Your anxiety ratings have dropped across the board. Whatever numbers you were hitting in the early sessions, your current ratings are currently lower. That drop is your midbrain's update showing as data. 3. You're staying, you're watching through to the end without pausing, closing the tab or looking away. That sounds simple, it is the whole skill. If you've got it in virtual sessions, you've got it for real. Those 3 things together mean you're ready. Not for it to be easy, just ready to start. Stay in it. You don't have to stay calm, you just have to stay. That's the whole instruction for this session and for real-world exposure after it. And for all of it, really. The goal was never to watch birds without anxiety. The goal is to watch birds with anxiety and stay anyway. Because that staying is what the midbrain is waiting for. It needs to see you remain in the situation and not have anything bad happen. Not you pretending it's fine, not you calm and relaxed, just you present, not escaping. Every time you do that, virtually, in real life, anywhere, the threat rating updates. That's the whole mechanism. Stay. Rate your anxiety as you go. Keep a note of where you're at for each clip. When you've watched this session multiple times and your numbers are consistently low, you're ready for real-world exposure. Ready for the last set? Here we go. Congratulations! That's the end of the virtual exposure series. Come back tomorrow and watch it again, and keep going until watching this footage feels kind of dull. When it feels dull, your midbrain has updated. Birds are no longer filed as a threat. From here, the next step is the real world. Actual birds, real environments. You start with whatever feels manageable right now, even if that's just sitting near a window where you might see a bird outside. The same principle applies. Stay with it, let the anxiety come up, watch what happens when you don't escape. If you want support working through the real world stage, there's a link in the description to my anxiety elimination program, where you can get access to me every day to walk you through it. And if this series has helped you, I'd genuinely love to hear about it. Drop a comment below or leave a thumbs up. You've done something most people won't do. You've got this.